Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have just discovered my channel, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. I really appreciate all your love and support. Today's video is I have some of the items that I have been collecting for spring season. Not many, but few items I have. I want to share with you what I have been collecting. And also it's a very weird way to start our spring season because of all this virus going around, and I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and I'll just pray the world that it will end soon. And what else, it's just so weird time, you know. I have been staying home from last week. I have not put any makeup. Today is the first day I put makeup for the video, and I feel good and happy to do that. I've been trying to keep myself busy. Started working from home, and every morning I wake up, I do my workout. You guys know that I go to Orange Theory, and Orange Theory, they have a new video for every day's workout, so that's good. So I've been following that one, and there are tons of workout videos on YouTube that some days if I want to switch up, then I just switch up with some other search in YouTube, and I just do the workout that with whatever I want. I'm doing that one. Actually, you know, I've been working out like 7 days a week now, so that's good. And yeah, what else? I have not gone anywhere. Where I live, there's a big park, beautiful park, but there's so many people in the park, and they are like, I don't know why people are doing the boot camp and they're working out, like they're so close. So I don't want to go to walk in the park, so I'll stay in the patio and watch those people to entertain myself and to get some fresh air. That's what I have been doing, and cooking, and I haven't gone to the grocery stores or anything. So yes, I'm trying to stay away from everything and trying to self-isolating myself and just relaxing. So yes, let's get into the video. So first things I want to share with you, I'm so excited for this one because I waited for so long time for this item. So you guys ready? It's from Dior. I waited for this item for so many months, and finally I got this, and you guys can't even believe that how excited I am. And this happened before they closed. Like we went to this Dior store for something to pick up for Brandon's items, and then this happened to come, and I was so happy to get this one. So let's open together. So here is a little Dior charm. I like this metal charm, and I've been collecting this charm now. I love that. So inside here, so here's a small box, and let's open this. Do you guys guess what's inside? It's not that big box, so I guess you already guessed this one. Comes in this dust bag. And are you ready? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here is my belt. Oh my goodness. Can you believe that I finally found my belt? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited and happy that I found my belt. I returned the one that I showed you in the video, last video, the one with the elastic band with black buckle with CD. Looks like that, but you remember that how it was so hard to close in. I returned that one, and I got this one. I'm so happy. Smells so fresh, and this is in the thicker belt. They had in the smaller size, but I want one with the thicker so I can wear with the jeans. And I have only one designer belt that is from Gucci, and I have been wearing that so many years now, and I want something different. And when I saw this one, I really liked it, and this for so long time, and finally I got in my size. So there is the belt, and it says inside here, of course, Christian Dior. Buckle is 30 Montang CD over here, and this one is very beautiful with the gold hardware, and then the belt leather is 100% calf skin, so it might be a little bit like, you know, scratch. I have to be a little bit careful when I wear this one, but at this point, like, I do not care about anything. I just want is this belt because I was not getting my size. This is how it looks. Am I doing right or wrong? Okay, there, I think this is how it looks. There you go. It's kind of confusing. This is how it looks, and I'm so happy that I finally got my belt. So this is the belt, and I can't wait to wear this out and go out, but right now I don't know when I'm gonna wear. But I'm glad that I found this belt. So this is a belt from Dior. I finally got this one. And what else? Oh, the first item I'm gonna show you with this shirt. I got this from Zara. I love this shirt. I love this big balloony sleeves, and it's so nice. It's a sheer like a materials here, and it's just a white simple. I love it. It's so comfortable. I got this in extra small, but I don't remember the price because I already washed. I have not worn this, but I washed it because they have only one this size, extra small, and they had a makeup here, so I brought it home. I washed it, and today is the first time I'm wearing for this video. And I love the sleeves, like a balloon sleeves. It's so pretty and nice, and it was not that expensive either. I don't know the price, but it was not very expensive. So this is the one from Zara. Let me show you the another items from Zara. This is so beautiful. This dress. Look at this dress. It's so pretty. I love all the ruffly details here. It's a long dress. I'm gonna insert the cutaway here, and this one is in size small, and it is $89.90. I love the color. I don't have any color this. I think this color looks really good on my skin tone. I do not have that many like this color in my closet, so I decided to go with something a little different and perfect for spring. It has a little long sleeves here and very long dress. The dress from Zara. This pants is from Zara. I already wore these joggers pants. I've been liking lately this jogger pants. It's just beautiful and very comfortable. I don't know why, because I always wear jeans, and when I saw some little kind of different this joggers pants, I started liking. And it has a little elastic on the bottom here. It's tight here, and it has zipper on the side. I will insert the pictures that how I styled this one because I already wore this one. This is very comfortable, and this is in size small. Very simple. It has a little like, you know, this what is this? You can just like, you know, adjust this one over here, and it has a pocket on the side. Very simple and nice joggers. And I have another joggers too. So this one is from what is that store called? Lorna James. That's the one that they sell all the workout stuff. I saw this one day and I just walked in. I love this. The only one thing, I already wore this. The only one thing I don't like is that it catch a lot of like a length. Look at this, how like, you know, it looks so. When I wear these pants, I just have to carry my lunch roller all the time to just like, you know, take all the lengths from there. It is also very simple. It has the same kind of the one the Zara had, like elastic on the bottom, and just a simple, very comfortable joggers. This from Zara, this from Lorna James, and I have another one more jogger. This is from Banana Republic. These things I all got it before they closed down the store. So this one is in a very different color that I never wear this color, so I decided to go with this color. And this one is also like same kind of like a style that I showed you from Zara. And this one was on sale. This is size small. It was on 40% off. It was original price was $89.50, and it was on 40% off. Just nothing fancy. Just looks very simple, and it has this like, you know, tight on the bottom. Perfect for summer because we live in Dallas, and Dallas the summer gets very, very hot here. So it kind of the loose fitting is perfect. Usually I never like try to wear jeans in the summertime. It gets so hot here, so perfect for the summertime. And then I have the last items to show you is from, this is from H&M, and this is just a simple black blouse. It has a neck right here, and it has 3 buttons that you have to put it on right like this. And I like the little bit like a bigger sleeves, and then I like the little details of the buttons on the sleeve right here. It's just not simple white, black and white blouse that I love this color. So yeah, that's from the H&M. That's all I have. I can't wait to wear the blue dress and go out, like, you know, walk around, and hopefully this will end soon. Anyways guys, that's all for today's video. If you have not subscribed, then make sure you do subscribe and do the thumbs up to my video and be a part of my YouTube family. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. and just try to do something that entertain you while you are staying home. I know that many of you are working from home too, and I try to take it everything positive, because we always say like, I don't have time for this and that and that. Like, you know, now it's the time to clean your house, it's time to put the mask on your face, it's time to take a bubble bath. Like, I got so many bath bombs, but I never get chance to use that one. So my plan is to use those bath bombs and trying to relax myself and working out from home, and just stay positive, stay home, and we all are in this together. So I hope this will end soon. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.